NFT Shorts, of course, we're back at it again. Thank you so much for checking out the channel again. If it's your first time here, you know what to do. Of course, definitely subscribe to the channel, and you know the situation with the bell. Get those notifications going because sometimes this information is absolutely time sensitive, and I'd rather you catch it early than to catch it late. Consider joining the Telegram group as well. We've got a lot going on there. Some friends and family, as well as, of course, people all over the world joining together, trying to win in this crypto space. Check out these playlists ready just for you, and there will definitely be more to come. So thank you so much. We're going to continue with the gaming theme today, a different kind of gaming that does require KYC. Now, I wouldn't consider myself to be a gambling man. This is definitely good information for some of you out there, so I thought I would deliver. So today what we're going to talk about is poker. All right, so as you see here, it's the first blockchain online poker game that uses the Unreal Engine 4. So this is quite interesting. We're looking at, pretty solid graphics, some special effects, a fun experience for play. They've got this TRNG thing going on, which we'll definitely talk about. So essentially the random number generation is true. It's authentic. It is verifiable. Very interesting. Great graphics. Simple 2D gameplay is kind of the norm, but these ones definitely have that 3D element from that Unreal Engine, right? And of course the dealer has an element. So there's definitely some video game aspect to this. I do like this idea. Again, like I said, I'm not really considering myself to be a gambling man. For those of you who are into poker, I think there might be another element to this, adding that video game aspect, that 3D world, those characters with elements and different tiers, things of that nature, right? So leveling up video game style in a poker game, I think it's pretty cool, right? And of course, there are definitely NFTs because this is how the dealers are. So again, back to the TRNG, which stands for True Random Numbers, or True Random Number Generation. This is all essentially possible due to or thanks to blockchain technology that's happening right now.
The poker platform is unique because it uses blockchain technology as a mechanism to provide true random number generation, as well as provably fair play game systems. With the poker platform, we aim to be the most secure and transparent online casino available on the market today. And we have multiple patented and patent-pending technologies to make this possible, starting with our true random number generation process, all the way to our one-of-a-kind provably fair play system. You won't find a more transparent and secure way to play poker. Let's discover how this works. When playing a game, you want to make sure that the system is shuffling the cards in a fair and honest manner. That's where our TRNG system kicks in. You, the player, supply us with a unique seed, which we combine with another unique seed on our side. Together, these get sent to the blockchain. This introduces one level of variability into the next block on the blockchain. We then have a random block hash to use as a seed to generate true random numbers that are extremely difficult to hack. These numbers are used as the cornerstone to shuffle our cards for fair gameplay.
All right, so one of the coolest things I do like about this project so far, as with all projects that you find me really interested in, is the fact that this company here is fully transparent. Again, I can't stress how important that is in the crypto space. The fact of being able to convert your earnings to a variety of different currencies is a plus. They've got this provably fair system so that you know the random number generation is fair. The art is so good for these team members here and advisors, of course. If you click any one, it's going to take you directly to their LinkedIn profiles. You can definitely rest assured that this is a legit project. And just taking a look at the roadmap, you'll see later this year, 2021, early 2022 as well, they've got some mobile game launch plans. The real game launch 2021, the mobile launch 2022 early. Integration with Polkadot ecosystem, and they're planning on launching new games by the end of 2022. So to me, this particular project has quite a bit of promise. Now, of course, we're getting into KYC. This is very important since we're dealing with money and gambling. Of course, you're going to have to give your last name, first name, address, date of birth, country of birth, phone number, email address, and some other identification number. So this is of course to ensure that you are of the correct age and that there is no manipulation or any type of fraudulent activity and the likes. Even though it is crypto, I just think it's reasonable for them to be asking your personal information if we're going to be gambling with multiple people around the world. So I'm just briefly giving you a bit of their white paper just so you can see. I definitely would recommend you do your own research and read through it. Now just taking a look at these NFTs right here. So standard NFTs, rare NFTs, ultra rare NFTs, standard holograms, rare hologram NFTs, ultra rare hologram NFTs as well. Now let's dive into a little bit more about this. So as you see right here on CoinMarketCap, it is not currently available just yet. Now in terms of when this is going to launch, the IDO is for June 25th. It will be available through TronPad or BSCPad. So you've got two choices here. All of the allocation periods are essentially June 25th. So you have to stake your coins at an early time in order to get in. So do your own research to figure all that out. But essentially I have the information before your eyes right here. And the market cap is quite low. It seems like it's got a ways to rise. So I'm just going to show you quickly right there, the TronPad page, just so you can see the IDO right there. And as well, we can look at BSCPad. Now, a lot of you have seen this page before. A lot of you have possibly even seen my videos, and my video, one of them specifically regarding BSCPad. It's a launch pad. Both of these, TronPad and BSCPad, are launch pads. BSCPad has seen brighter days in terms of its higher price point. So maybe now, if you're interested, getting in right now when it's, a little over $1 is a lot nicer than buying BSCPad back 2 or 3 months ago when it was $5 or $6. Now might be a really good time to get in. And this particular project here, Polker, seems to have some good promise. As a gamer, it does look interesting. I'm not so much a gambling man, like I said. I do understand the value of a game like this that has some flexibility that you can grow with, and people want to make money. People are converting more and more from the standard Web 2.0 more to the Web 3.0 world. So thank you very much for your time today. I definitely would recommend you subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, definitely click that button, share it with a friend, join the Telegram group, and don't be shy. Right? We definitely talk about video games. We talk about crypto gaming. We talk about market trends. We talk about essentially ways of winning in this crypto space, right? A lot of people want to make money, but let's focus on the technology and find stuff that's actually good, right? So yes, all the best to you. And of course, until next time, take care.